What is up guys, welcome to the unboxing of the RUROC. So I actually ordered this like 5 days ago, and it takes 5 days for them to send it over from the UK. It's like amazing. Right off the bat, look at the box. It is beautiful. I really love the box and the way the black box. It is magnifique. So the way the box opens is like, look at that. Alright, so we have the helmet right here. We got a poster. Oh, okay. It's actually the instructions. This is very smart. Instructions, poster. We got the gold. Yeah, this is the gold visor, the helmet visor. This does not come with the helmet. This is something additional that you need to buy. I think it's around $75. And this is the, I think, GoPro mount, if I'm not wrong. This is the GoPro mount. Yeah. So this is the GoPro mount. This is specially designed for the helmet. So I think this goes to the chin of the helmet, if I'm not wrong. I'm going to try this out later. This does not come with the helmet also. You need to buy this. This is additional. This is like around, I think, $40 if I'm not wrong. And you got a bunch of stickers and some things that you shouldn't eat. Alright, so let's take a look at the helmet. So for this, I actually got the Crimson RUROC Berserker Crimson helmet. This is to actually match with my bike. So, oh wow, look at that. So I think this is the goggles. The goggles right here. No, this is beautiful, man. Look at that. Honestly, I expected it to be like a bit brighter. The color is a bit dark. It's not a problem, it's not a big problem. Alright, so let's check out the goggles, man. Alright, so I gotta say, man, I really love the back quality. It's actually very, very good. It's very, very soft, and I don't know why I just smelled it, but it's actually very good. Alright, so this is the goggles right here. Like, check that out. Alright, so this is supposed to go in here, like. Right, so with the goggles on, this is how it actually looks like. It looks amazing, man. Look at that. And if I'm not wrong, we can actually remove the visor. Oh, okay. So you're supposed to like pull this down like this, and on the other side. Alright, so after you unclip it, you can actually take it off just like that. And okay, now it looks even better. So I'm gonna try to put on the gold iridium visor. Oh wait, you need a close-up for this. This is actually magnetic, right? So it will just like, check this out. And to secure it, you just need to like press here. That's actually the parrot, my neighbor's parrot. I'm actually at the balcony right now. So I'm actually not sure if it's my mistake or the helmet is faulty, but as you can see on this side, you can actually push it in and it goes in very effortlessly. But for this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the bottom one, this hinge right here, can go in like very easily. Yeah, but the top part is still out. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I don't want to use like too much force, but I'm pretty sure it's not in. Is it a big thing? I don't know, because like I haven't like used it to ride it, so I'm I mean, it's supposed to secure the 4 corners of the visor, and if one corner is not secured, I'm not sure if it's really gonna affect anything. Yeah, I couldn't put it in. I will find a way on how. If not, I will just, you know, maybe email them and ask them, is there any solution for this? Right now for the fitment test. Oh my god, this is cool, man. I didn't see this. Look. So I think this is if you like get into an accident and the paramedic like comes to you and they want to remove the helmet. I think all they have to do is just to pull this, pull, and this whole thing will just come out, so your head can actually like slide out. Alright, let's go. Oh fuck. It's tight. What's that? Wait, it is very very tight. I think this is very normal for like new helmets. You know, you need to season the paddings first. There is something. Alright, so it actually fits pretty nice. It's actually it's snuggling my head. It's not that tight, but like to wear it, to like put it on, it was a bit tough because it's very tight right here, like this area. But I think after a while you get used to it, but I feel really safe in this helmet. That's very important, and I look fucking good. Oh. Oh, it's even harder to take it out, man. I really need to find a way to like put this on and take it off without like hurting myself or like destroying the helmet. But it's very comfortable once you use it, but to like put it on your head is actually a chore. It's tight, it's not smooth. And there's something sharp at the back here that's actually poking my head. Like, what the fuck is that? Honestly, I expected the color to be a bit brighter. This is maroonish red, crimson. Is crimson a color? I have no idea. But I expected it to be a bit brighter, just like a shade or two brighter. But it's a nice helmet. I was just a bit disappointed it's not that bright, but it looks really good. And I really need to like try it on with the Ducati Diable to see how it actually matches. This helmet is very light. It is light. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is actually DOT approved. Do you guys call it DOT or DOT? Yeah, but it's not Singapore approved because it's not PSB approved. So, hey, you could always buy a GPR helmet, man. And this like $500 helmet is probably not safer than that helmet. I'm just kidding. This is probably more safer than that helmet. I got another question though. Is it legal to use this visor? Is it legal though? But so here's my point of view of it. So I don't understand why this is not legal but sun visors are legal. If you're gonna tell me that, oh, sun visors you can turn it on and off. So what if I bring this along and put it at the back at the side of my bike, and you know, in the day I use this, and then in the night, if I'm riding at night, I use this. Isn't it the same thing? Plus, is this considered as visor? Because it's actually a goggle, so I really don't know if I get fined by... Wait, who fines the visor? Is it LTA or DP? I think it's LTA. If I get fined by LTA, I will let you guys know and we will find out if it's legal or not. So, but I will actually try to like argue with the LTA like, abang, but this one I can remove, yeah, abang. Why cannot? You know? It's like you using sunglasses, bro, to look cool. I also want to look cool. So, yeah, overall, I really love the helmet. Is it worth the money? It's a little bit on the pricey side, but you can get something better, you know, for this at this price point. But to get something that look this good, this is a very unique helmet. You rarely see this on the road, you know. And honestly, if you ask me to rate it out of 10, I would give it like a 7 or an 8. So this is the GoPro mount just now. If I'm not wrong, this is supposed to like, yeah, it fits perfectly right here. You see that? That's it guys for this video. I've still not collected my Ducati Diver yet. It's still wrapping, but they sent me a teaser of the bike and I'm really excited for it. So that's it for this video, guys. Do press the... Okay, someone just like DM me and told me that, dude, it's not like button, it's a thumbs up button. But the thumbs up button is like button, right? So if you like this video, press the thumbs up button. And if you want to be updated to when I post new videos, do subscribe, do support me. If you guys want to be part of the video, if you guys want to like, you know, hang out with me outside of the video, so just let me know. We can totally hang. Not right now because there's nowhere to hang and we can only meet in groups of 2, so but we will find a way. So see ya.